So we interior designers, we're product junkies. We really are. And we need to be, because all of those things, whether it's exterior, interior finishes, fabrics, furniture, artwork, lighting, plumbing, whatever, everything that goes into the home, we need to specify. And that means we are always on the hunt for the next, the greatest, the appropriate things for our clients. And quite frankly, we love it. Most of us, we just love it. Who doesn't love looking at beautiful things? And so where I'm heading to right now is a designer event where a number of reps have collaborated. I'm very curious to see this place. It's at a local country club, so I think it's going to be very nice. And it's a way of getting their lines, their product in front of we interior designers so that we can specify it. And all this stuff becomes part of the palette that we use to design our clients' homes. And I'm in Northern Ohio, and so it's not like in Chicago or Washington, D.C. or New York or whatever. We don't have as many showrooms and things to look at, especially the higher end product. So it is going to be very interesting. And so some of us go with a shopping list. It's pretty common for us to go to these trade events with a shopping list that actually might be turning out to be billable. I might just straighten this out a little bit. And but a lot of the time, a lot of things is that we're just going to see and touch and be inspired and get samples ordered and that sort of thing. So when I get there, I'm probably gonna take some video of the place and let's go check out some beautiful things. Okay. Well, this is going to be a nice venue. Beautiful day. Just doing a little. Yeah, you don't see. Actually,
We can
I don't
start
see a lot of
demoing
them
if
here.
you want. Yeah.
And it was just
Specific
talking about
colors I
this
don't know.
with a client
Okay.
a couple days ago. Pretty. Well, that was fun. Made some nice new connections, revisited some old connections, saw some beautiful product. I hope you got to enjoy the little glimpse of it, ordered samples, and ready to start using some of these great things. All right, thanks for joining me. See you next time.